We are on the cusp of the fourth industrial revolution, where things will not be the same anymore. And the chip that will be developed will be smarter than a human being. Now we already face challenges because people are afraid of using mobile devices for banking and for health applications. So criminals are now exploiting this, and they are always thinking of new ways. So what does this imply for public security? The agencies have to work closely together to generate collaborative efforts that will help defeat criminals, that will allow for trust among the consumers, community, the businesses, so that the benefits that are promised in the fourth industrial revolution will come true. A safe city requires people to be safe from all sorts of threats. It's not only personal safety, which comes to mind most of the time. We always think about how fast can we call for assistance from the authorities when we are in trouble. So it's important that the private sector companies work together with the public sector to really determine what is required to make a safe city successful. I think another aspect of public safety required for a safe city is that people trust that whatever has been made available is for the long-term good of the city. And this can also allow the community to provide inputs, because in today's world, not all information comes from the top. We really need information from the people below, or rather the public at large. But this form of virtual reality can help the community engage each other and promote harmonious society. I must confess that I didn't know much about Huawei except to see them selling products on handphones, and until last year when I led a delegation from a civil service college in Singapore to your headquarters in Shenzhen. And then I realized that Huawei was more than a consumer or carrier business. I mean, you have fantastic technology. And I think that what is also important is that it is a company that believes in the future. And I understand that you have a principle of investing 20% of your revenues in R&D. I was told that this may hit 11 billion US next year. And that's quite an incredible figure, because even the government of Singapore probably only spends 1/4 or 1/3 of that a year. So you can imagine what sort of innovations and discoveries can come out of this investment. Well, I think the basis of the future going forward is connectivity. I think Huawei is very well placed to do this. And I think with that as the foundation, what is then important is to think about how do you translate operational requirements into technological solutions. So the issue is, how do you get challenging problem statements for the company to work together with partners and the community so that these problems can be solved.